September 14th, 2023. Sandra Mitchell walked into a dealership in Columbus, Ohio. She had done everything right. 3 months of research, a saved deposit, a number she refused to go above. 2 hours later, she drove home in a white Honda CR-V, called her mother, and said it was the best day of her year. 8 months later, a friend in auto finance sat down with her contract, line by line. Did you know about any of this? She did not. Sandra had been overcharged by $6,200. Not through fraud, not through anything illegal. Through a system so well designed that most buyers walk through it and never know it was there. $45 billion every year from people who negotiated, who thought they were ready. In 1956, dealerships made it illegal for manufacturers to sell cars directly to you. Ford, GM, Toyota, all blocked. Every car had to pass through a middleman. And that middleman learned the money was not in selling cars. The money was in everything after. The first move is called the payment shuffle. The moment you sit down, they ask, "What monthly payment works for you?" It sounds harmless. It is not. Once you answer, the price stops mattering. They work backward, stretch the loan, and make your number appear on a contract attached to a car that costs far more than you agreed. 72 months, 6 years, on something losing value every day. Never give a monthly number. Demand the total out the door price, written down. Then discuss financing. But they are still waiting in the back, in a room most people never see coming. The finance manager is the highest paid person there, not because of cars, but because in 20 minutes they add thousands to a deal you thought was closed. Extended warranty, gap insurance, paint protection, all folded into your monthly payment. Gap insurance costs $40 a year through your insurer. In that room, they charge over $1,000. The average finance office adds $1,300 to every deal in America. Your answer to everything in that room is 4 words: "I will think about it," every time. Sandra was not careless. She simply did not know what she was walking into. Most buyers do not. Subscribe, because next week we go inside the used car market. What we found buried inside vehicle history reports changes how you look at every used car. We will see you then.